Welcome! Are you ready to supercharge your productivity? Today we're revealing the essential Excel mobile secrets you need to know for 2026. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just away from your desk, knowing these mobile hacks will keep you ahead of the curve. In 2026, mobile productivity isn't a luxury, it's essential. Modern business moves fast, and Excel Mobile ensures you never miss a beat. We'll dive into 5 game-changing secrets: AI data input, dynamic formulas, advanced collaboration, offline hacks, and the custom quick access toolbar. Our first secret is AI-powered data input. This feature transforms how you capture information, making manual entry almost obsolete. You can now simply snap a photo of a printed or handwritten table, and Excel's AI instantly converts it into spreadsheet data. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly useful. Not only does it capture data, but the AI also validates it, immediately flagging potential errors or inconsistencies, saving you precious time on corrections. Secret number 2, dynamic formulas on touch. This is all about leveraging the mobile interface to build complex calculations effortlessly. Use simple touch gestures, like swiping or tapping, to select ranges and build formulas. Say goodbye to tiny text input and hello to intuitive creation. Excel now provides instant, context-aware formula suggestions as you input data, anticipating your needs and helping you apply functions like sum, average, and VLOOKUP much faster. Moving on to Secret 3, advanced collaboration tools. Excel Mobile is now a true co-editing powerhouse. Experience seamless, real-time co-editing. Excel's mobile platform handles conflict resolution efficiently, so multiple users can work on the same sheet without headaches. Integrated commenting and task assignment directly within cells allows you to manage workflow and delegate responsibilities from anywhere. Secret 4 focuses on offline productivity hacks, ensuring your work never stops just because your connection does. Always ensure automatic sync is enabled for your critical files. This prevents data loss and makes sure your latest changes are uploaded as soon as you reconnect. Adopt best practices for offline work. Organize your files locally and set reminders for key tasks to ensure a smooth transition once you're back online. Finally, Secret 5, the custom quick access toolbar. This is how you tailor the mobile app to your specific workflow. Customize the toolbar with the functions you use most often. Efficiency means having your favorite tools literally at your fingertips. Must-haves include quick access to Format Painter, freeze panes, and data validation. Set it up once and enjoy the productivity boost every day. Mastering these 5 secrets will transform your relationship with Excel Mobile and make you an unstoppable force in 2026. To recap, leverage AI for data input, use touch for dynamic formulas, collaborate seamlessly, maximize offline productivity, and customize your quick access toolbar. Download the latest version of Excel Mobile today and be sure to subscribe to Be Skilled for more updates and tips to master your professional tools.